what actually happened to my leg? How did it happen? Why was I in a wheelchair? मैं वियतनाम क्यों गया? Is this the end of my channel? ये सारे सवालों का जवाब मैं इस वीडियो में दूंगा along with the whole story. So fasten your seat belts because this is a roller coaster of emotions. So I'll start with why did I go to Vietnam? So around 4 महीने पहले, me and my friends Ayush, Ramya, Zeel, we are planning a first international friends trip, and we had chosen the destination Vietnam. We had planned everything out, and all the tickets, flights, hotels, all the activities were booked, and the trip was very near. Now the story gets interesting. Just 3 days before the trip, I was at the studio. मैं एक वीडियो शूट कर रहा था wherein I was painting my backpack जो मुझे वियतनाम लेकर जाना था. Then I had a football plan later in the evening. एकदम जोश आ गया मेरे में, and then I went on playing like a madman. And then the thing happened. I was jumping in the air. दोनों पैर मेरे हवा में थे, and right leg से ball receive किया, so left leg naturally goes down first to the landing, and I had an awkward landing. It's like my knee was straight, my knee के नीचे का पूरा part was bented. So I heard a pop. Immediately everyone gathered around me, and I was just rolling. I was in agony, and I decided to get up, go out, sit down, ice pack kiya, rickshaw book karke I went home. So we went to the hospital. They did an x-ray there. After that x-ray, we got to know that there's not a fracture, but it was still paining a lot, and I couldn't fold my leg. So next day we went to an orthopedic. He said this could either be a sprain or a ligament injury. So me and my sister were both shocked, and my sister straight up asked him that he has a trip planned परसों for Vietnam. Should he go? I would recommend you not to go because Vietnam had a lot of walking, but it's still up to you. We have to do icing, and after 15 days we'll do an MRI to see whether it's a ligament injury or sprain. This got me wondering, should I go, should I not? I told my friends, they started yelling at me कि 2 दिन पहले फुटबॉल खेलने किसने बोला था, and then घर पे भी थोड़े discussions हुए, and I decided to go. पट्टा बांधकर, लकड़ी लेकर I went for the trip. So instead of just sitting home and then overthinking again and again कि मेरे पैर को क्या हो गया, अभी future ये है, I just went for the trip because मेरा mind distracted रहेगा, and I will enjoy the trip with all the precautions. So airport पे I got wheelchair facility, and this made me wonder, I think I should roam around Vietnam in wheelchair. So when we landed, we went to the hotel, and then somehow my friends managed to buy a wheelchair. Instead of renting it out, then we started roaming around the streets. Even though I was not able to do the activities that were planned, snorkeling, surfing, ATV rides, but I still enjoyed the trip because I got to sit, relax, and draw. The entire trip I've drawn so many sketches. I have uploaded reels, you guys have seen it already. थोड़ी बहुत walking to करी because the wheelchair was not accessible to the entire place, but I did it on one leg, so that's alright. So huge thanks to 3 of my friends who made this trip happen, and everywhere they were carrying me, they were making me feel like I'm not missing out on anything. Thank you guys so much. Now after coming back to Mumbai, so we had done an MRI, and then we went to the doctor, and he said that it is a major injury, and along with ACL I also have MCL, and there's some other issue as well. I was not prepared for it, and the doctor said that we have to do a surgery. Right now swelling is still there, so we need to wait, and surgery will take place around next month. Surgery thing got me very worried. Now we wanted to get a second opinion, so we went to this specialized doctor who has been an orthopedic for Indian cricket team, so he is pretty experienced. उन्होंने सबसे पहले तो मेरा पट्टा निकालकर फेंकने को बोल दिया. He changed my perspective completely. अगर हमें सर्जरी करना है तो उसके पहले you need to be able to completely fold your leg before surgery, and that can only happen with you doing physio first. And अभी मेरा physiotherapy चालू है. On 1st of April I have to go visit him again, and then he'll see the progress in my leg, and then he'll decide whether surgery is required. So now talking about the space, because I can't go to the studio because it's 2 floors up, there are only stairs, so I can't climb up. So I've shifted part of my studio here. Hopefully the quality is just as good as what I shoot at studio. I have a long way to recovery, around 6 to 7 months of recovery without surgery, and with surgery I have no idea, but I'm assuming 8 to 9 months, and I'm looking forward to see all those get well soon comments in the comment section. And I hope I've answered all your questions. If there's something you still want to know, you can drop a comment below, or you can DM me. I'll respond to it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.